Hello children, welcome back to your online biology class. I am Asha Santosh, your biology teacher. Children, we have completed our 8th chapter, body movements. In this chapter, we have discussed many things about skeletal system, joints, which are the three main types of joints: ball and socket joint, hinge joint and pivotal joint, and different parts of the skeletal system. Why do we need the skeletal system? What are the functions of skeletal system? Yes, it gives shape and it helps for the movement of our body. It also protects the internal delicate organs. Children, we also discussed about different parts of the skeletal system: skull, rib cage, shoulder bone, backbone, pelvic bone, etc. Then we have discussed different types of movements in different types of organisms: earthworm, snail, cockroaches. These all are invertebrates. They do not have backbones and muscles help them to move. And also we discussed about movements in some vertebrates like birds, fishes and snakes. Hope all of you have understood each and every topics from this lesson. If you have any doubt, you can clear it during our live session. Okay. So today we are going to discuss the textbook exercise of this lesson. Children, are you reading the textbook regularly? Are you studying the notes? Then you can easily answer the questions of our textbook exercise. Let's begin. Children, let's begin with fill in the blanks. First question: joints of the bones help in the dash of the body. What is the answer? Yes, movement of the body. Second question: a combination of bones and cartilages forms the dash of the body. The combination of bones and cartilages forms? Yes, the skeleton of the body. Third question: the bones at the elbow are joined by a dash joint. Which joint? Yes, hinge joint. The fourth question: the contraction of the dash pulls the bones during movement. Yes, the contraction of the muscles pull the bones during movement. Very good. Next is indicate true and false among the following sentences. The first sentence: the movement and locomotion of all animals is exactly the same. What do you feel? Is it a true statement or false? Yes, of course, it is a false statement. Movement and locomotion of all animals is not exactly the same. So, it is false. Second question: the cartilages are harder than bones. Is it harder than bones? No. So, this statement also false. Third question: the finger bones do not have joints. Yes, it is also a false statement. Then fourth question: the forearm has two bones. Yes, it is true. Then the last question: cockroaches have an outer skeleton. Yes, it is also a true statement. Next is match the items in column 1 with one or more items of column 2. In column 1 you can see upper jaw, fish, ribs, snail, cockroach, etc. In column number 2, have fins on the body, has an outer skeleton, can fly in the air, is an immovable joint, protect the heart, shows very slow movement and have a streamlined body. Let's match. First one in column number 1, upper jaw. Upper jaw will match with, upper jaw is an immovable joint. Next is fish. Fishes have fins on the body. And also you can match the same with have a streamlined body. Both are correct. So you have to match fish with have fins on the body and have a streamlined body. Third one, ribs. Yes, ribs protect the heart. Next is snail. Snail shows very slow movement. Very good. The last one, cockroach. You can match cockroach with has an outer skeleton and also with can fly in the air. Both are correct. Next is answer the following. First question, what is a ball and socket joint? We already discussed in our previous class about different types of joints. A ball and socket joint is a movable joint. It has a rounded end of one bone fit into the cavity. That means a hollow space of the other bone. It allows movement in all directions. Example, shoulder joints. Second question, which of the skull bones are movable? The answer is only the lower jaw in skull bone is movable. Then the last question, why can our elbow not move backwards? What is the reason? This also we have discussed in our previous class. Do you remember? Elbow joint is an example of hinge joint which allows only back and forth movements. Therefore, we cannot move our elbow backwards. Children, I have attached the answer key of this textbook exercise with this class. Please go through it. So children, today we have discussed textbook exercise of lesson 8. We'll meet in our next session. Until then, take care and goodbye.